Sukkah, Perek Beis, Mishnah Hay. Maaseh, it happened, Vehiviu loy l'Rabbi Yochanan ben Zakkai, and they brought to the Tana Rabbi Yochanan ben Zakkai, litoim es hatavshil, just to taste a cooked dish. And they brought Rabbi Gamliel, and they brought to Rabbi Gamliel shnei koisvos, 2 dates, udeli shamayim, a jug, pail of water, on sukkahs. Va'omru, and they said, halum l'sukkah, take them up to the sukkah. Although we learnt in the previous Mishnah that one can eat casually out of the sukkah, nevertheless, as the Bartanura mentions, they were machmir to eat even something casually in the sukkah. That concludes the Bartanura, harizeh meshubach. From here we see this is praiseworthy, to eat even the smallest amount in the sukkah. Ukushanosnu lo l'Rab Tzadok, but when they gave to Rab Tzadok oichel pachas mikabeitza, food less than the size of a beitza, and this was food that needed washing, bread, but it was less than the size of a kibetza, size of an egg. He did 3 things. Natolei bamapo, because, as the Tiferes Yisrael says, this was an emergency, there was no water, he wrapped the food, natolei bamapo, he took it with a cloth, so that as it was b'shas adchak, a time of emergency, no water, this would enable him to eat it without washing his hands. Also, acholoi chutz l'sukkah, he ate it out of the sukkah. Yes, this was a small amount. Clearly, as we said, one can eat arai casually out of the sukkah, and this is what he did. So that was perfectly in order. V'loi birech acharov, he did not bench after eating this amount. And that's because he held like the view of Rabbi Yehuda, there is a machlukas in brachas, whether one needs the size of a kazayis or a kibetza, an olive or an egg, to be able to bench. He held, like Rabbi Yehuda, that one needs a larger size, the size of a kibetza, to bench, and because he had less than that, he did not bench. However, we paskin, like Rabbi Meir, mentioned in the Mishnah in Brachas, that to bench bichas hamazon, once one has the size of a kazayis, the smaller shear, then one would be required to bench. That concludes Mishnah Hay.